All right, come on, get up. Out of the pool. All right, swimming time was over 5 minutes ago. You gotta go home right now, all right? Go. All right, come on, get up. Get your lazy fanny off the ground.
What was that?
That was me helping you up. Should you thank me for that? I think you should, because I was being generous.
No, I mean before that with the football hitting me in the head?
I threw you that ball, Timothy. Why didn't you catch it?
Philip, it's 3 a.m. I'm tired. What is the point of this?
I'm personally training you to become my new assistant coach for the Little Hawks football team this fall.
Are you insane? Philip, oh God, Philip. I can't do this. You know I don't play football. You get somebody else to do it.
But Timothy, you're my homeboy. I've been there for you ever since I stood up for that bully of yours back in kindergarten. I did you a favor. So now it's your turn to do me a favor and be there for me and be my new assistant coach for the Little Hawks football team this fall.
Philip, I know this is important to you, partially because it's our last year in high school, but I know you're among the best of football players, but I'm not, okay? I don't do football. I don't play sports. And I'm not the only boy in this town for you to look up to. You can get somebody else to do it.
You live here too? What? Hey, Timothy, wait, where are you going? Are you quitting on me or something?
Yes, Philip, I am quitting.
But you can't quit!
Why not?
We're not done yet. We have to practice tackling the dummy. No, guys, you can't touch me. Help me, he's gonna hurt me. Help me, guys, help me. Ah!
Yeah, you said we don't touch him.
Yeah, that's right. You hurt.
Real bad.
Don't you dare.
We'll get you.
Forget it, Philip. Me being your assistant coach for the Little Hawks football team ain't gonna happen. And you wanna know why? Because you're a bossy control freak.
What? I am not a bossy control freak. That's just blasphemous. You can never prove it.
Oh, okay, let's see. Did you know that President Obama's popularity polls are down to 50% now?
Oh, come on! What is wrong with those Republicans? Do they have any idea how serious this economic crisis is? Hey, that wasn't called for, Tim.
Yeah, whatever. I'm leaving.
Oh, come on, Timothy. Don't leave me. You don't mean that. Tim! Don't pull a Peyton Manning! Fine. I'll do it his way. Yes! You did it! You're my new assistant coach! Wait, where are you going? Aren't you gonna stick around to get a little victory dance? This is going to be one long season.